Okay, today is October 21st, 2012, and here's the state of our house. It's muddy today, a little bit of rain last night. Here's the garage, two-car garage. That wall in the back there will be drywalled, that will not be open. On this side is this equipment room. The trash cans go outside the garage here. And the entrance to the house will be in this threshold I'm standing in. Here's my storage room. Very nice staircase. And elevator will be right here. Going up the stairs to the middle level. Here's where the elevator will open to the middle level. There will be a doorway right here for people who want to come up the side yard. And this wall was just put in a couple days ago. Here's the hallway down to the guest area. Here is a linen closet with a big pole in the middle of it. Here's the laundry room with storage space behind. Here's the office. Computer equipment will go in here, and a fold-out couch for overflow guests. Guest bathroom for this office. There will be a tub, shower, bathroom there. Again, I'm looking at the laundry room. Turning right here, we go into the family room. Probably going to make this some type of exercise room. The family room has a nice view, although it's very overcast today. Here's the entrance. Oh, by the way, there's a fireplace up here. Here's the entrance to the guest room. The bed will go on the right here with the headboard on the right, so looking out onto the view. Be a sliding door or some kind of opening door there. Here's the guest bathroom. It'll have a closet on one side, be like a resort bathroom with the shower and bathroom area on this side. And back through the family room. Back down the hallway with the office on the right, laundry room, excuse me, office on the left, laundry room on the right, with my other storage room. Going up the stairs to the top level, or third level. Here's where the elevator will come up to the third floor. They have it blocked off so that no one will fall down the elevator shaft. And here is the great room. The area straight ahead will be the living room area. There'll be a fireplace on that wall with a TV above it. Right where this work table is about where our dining room table will be. And there's the view we'll have. I'm looking into the kitchen. There will be a beverage bar area here with refrigerators for sodas and coffee and like a wet bar. We're looking out into the front yard. There will be a counter going across that back wall where the sink will be. Right here in the middle where these poles are coming up will be an island with the stove top. On that far wall there will be the other appliances, 2 ovens, microwave, and a refrigerator. And here is the pantry for the kitchen. On this side, to the right of the kitchen, there'll be a doorway here, so we can enter from this level. Again, this is the side. This dirt will come up to the level here with some steps. This will be the powder room. And this is another storage utility closet. Probably put a wine cellar and equipment in here, like vacuum and linens and dining supplies. Walk across the great room. This is the front yard. This will be the front door right here. And up above there is Temple Hills Drive. That's the main street. So I can't show you now because it's too muddy, but there'll be a walkway coming down, a water feature here on the right, and the front entrance right here. And walking into the master, there'll be a linen closet, or actually a guest closet right here. And this hallway leads into the master. The door to the master bedroom will be about right here. And coming into this entrance, this is the master bathroom. There'll be a pocket door about right here. And on the left are the sinks. On the right is the tub. You can see the spout there for plumbing. In that far corner is the shower. This window here will be an opaque white laminate because it's for privacy, but we'll have a lot of natural light coming in. And here is the toilet area. Here's the master closet. The washer dryer will be right here on the left inside. I'm picturing my side over on the left and Mike's side over on the right. And then the master bedroom will be the last room. And that will be right here. Master bedroom has a lot of nice view too. Good view. Bed will be headboard against this side here with our feet facing out. And I'm going to walk across here to the balcony, although we won't have an opening here. This will just be a window. But just to show the roof line, I'll come back here. And here's looking back into the house from the deck. Walk out to the edge without falling off here. So I'm standing out on the farthest end of the deck looking out, and I'll do a little 360 here. So that's the master bedroom. That's a planter out in front there. And again, looking at the great room. They're working on the roof now. And the stairwell and elevator shaft. Right behind that ladder there is an outdoor storage room for pillows and outdoor equipment, tables. And that's it.